Yes, sir. Done ran into one. They got tough. Ooh. Just found one, man. One of the rarest. A true SRT, man. The first SRT 392 right here that you see, man. They got hard. If y'all like that car, make sure you get this video to goddamn at least 20 likes. Get this video to 20 likes and I goddamn do a review of his car, man. If y'all want to see that, man, make sure y'all like this video. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe, man, because this channel lit, man. You know what I'm saying? And go back and watch all the videos if you ain't watched them, man, because you ain't a true game member. If you ain't watched all the videos, and if you ain't subscribed, go ahead and be a part of Rare Game. You feel me? We the realest to ever do it. We don't fake. We stay in our own lane. We do our own thing. You feel me? We don't copy everybody else. We do our own thing over here. So yeah, man, make sure y'all subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? Send this video to your mama, your daddy, your sister, your uncle, your nieces, your nephew, anybody who like a car, anybody who you feel like will like a dope channel to watch on their spare time. Send them this guy name, send them my YouTube link and tell them to subscribe, man. I'm trying to get to 800 subscribers, man. They jump right around the corner, man. Let's do it, gang. I know y'all can help me do it. I know y'all can help me do it. We so close to our next goal, which is 1,000 subscribers. We already hit 5. That was the first goal. Now we finna be up on 1,000. So make sure y'all subscribe, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. If you been watching my videos and you ain't subscribed now, man, we about to fight, bro. I'm gonna have to pull up on y'all niggas and we gonna have to fight, man. I'm telling you now, I ain't playing no game with you. I'm gonna knock your head off if you ain't subscribed to my channel, but I'm telling you right now, make sure you subscribe. But I'm about to eat real quick and I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm done eating. Gang in this bitch, gang in this bitch. Yo, well, we back, gang. About to go cut up on the highway. Nah, but like I was saying though, for real, man, if you want to goddamn see a little review of his car, make sure y'all get the video to 20 likes. Because if y'all get it to 20 likes, then I'ma know y'all want it. If y'all don't get the video to 20 likes, then I'm not gonna give y'all the video, man. Just saying. So y'all gotta show me y'all want the video, man. So run this up to 20 likes real quick. You still watching this video and you ain't subscribed yet, and you ain't like the video yet, bro, just turn my video off, bro. God dang, bro. Why you can't even subscribe, bro? Why you can't like the video, man? You know you freak with the video, man. I got that bit of eco mode. Nah, ain't my bad, son. I got that bit of eco mode right now, gang. I always got my junkie eco mode on. You gotta put this seatbelt on because I know that junk annoying. Hey, why y'all didn't tell me to turn my air down? I be forgetting, man. Don't be goddamn messing up my video. But yeah, close that back, man. Bring it in too much, like. But Jetto gang, goddamn. I just met him. We got us a challenge up here. That shit told me that they ain't come in. lost my fucking window strip. Hey, I ain't fucking with you, bro. Oh, God, bro. Gang, I was going so fucking fast, my goddamn window spoiler flew off the motherfucking window, bro. That what that pop was, bro. I got off of it, bro, because I thought something else happened. Damn, bro. Now I gotta buy another window, buy a window spoiler, bro. That motherfucker just flew off. Damn. That nigga swerving, hold on. That nigga swerving up there. But damn, that shit just blew the fuck out of me, bro. That nigga said, you lost something back there. Shit, my window got down spoiler, man. Window strip, man. Whatever you want to call that bitch. Damn. Free. It's all good though. Y'all seen the goddamn how fast I was going, bro. That bitch, I hope that bitch didn't crack nothing, but that bitch hit the window hard, bro. That bitch popped so hard, but that don't sound like a ride goddamn getting thrown, boy. Dang, bro. Man, I came in with y'all, gang, bro. Everybody need to cash out me $5. If every If every one of my subscribers goddamn cash out me $1 right now, man, I could do some miles to the car, man. Just $1, bro. Y'all cash out me $1, bro. I can get a ported throttle body right now. I'm gonna put my cash out in the description down below. If you want to goddamn donate anything for me losing my window spoiler, man, you feel me? Look at him. He ain't doing that, man. He ain't really doing that. That's why I started goddamn playing with him. But it seemed like everybody out on a Sunday. Where that motherfucker flew off, man. That bitch on the highway back there. Dang, bro. I'm kind of pissed now. Because I don't even know how my junk look right now. Crazy for y'all, man, and look what just happened, man. Bro, that is crazy. That is crazy. That bit popped off, but that bit goddamn. I know one side was already coming up. I knew I should have got some more glue and glue that bit down the right way, man. My car probably a little naked. My car has some panties on there. Don't got no panties on no more, goddamn. I ain't, bro. We ain't gonna trip though. We just gonna get another one though. If it don't look too bad, goddamn, I ain't gonna worry about it. What that is over there. Why you sag off like that, then kick back up like that, bro? Why you sag off and then try to kick back up like that? Then that nigga riding with the goddamn window down, bro. $60 filled me up, gang. But all they goddamn playing. All they got, they ain't playing, goddamn. gotta know how to drive, bro. You gotta know how to drive. Why would you go on that side? You gotta know how to drive. You gotta know how to drive, boy. You gotta know how to drive, boy. Show you how to drive, bro. Stay back there. Let me show you something. See how that car just cut in front of me? Just get over. See that little gap right there? See that little gap? Just get in there. That's how you drive right there, man. Look for the open lane. See, it's open over there. It ain't open over there. So look, I'm gonna go over here like that. Out of there. And if I don't want on the other side, I would have been stuck behind that truck right there. Just find that open lane, man. We doing the dash on them folks. All the way up the road. Doing the dash on them folks, man. See that gap right there? See that gap? See that gap? Just like that. I don't be showing y'all I drive like that. Well, I can drive, but I'm a driver, man. I'm a driver. Hey, my dudes, I know you're watching the video, man. Don't call me, no. Don't call me, no. I'm doing it for the game, though, my dudes. I'm doing it for the game, man. I'm doing it for the game, my dude. You're a part of the game, too, my dude, so I'm doing it for you, too, now. Don't go calling me, no. Don't go calling me. Don't go calling me. Hey, my dudes, if you watch this video, just drop some hearts down in the comment, man. I ain't asked for too much, my dude. Just drop some hearts or something. You feel me? And don't none of y'all try to slide in my goddamn, my dudes, on YouTube, man. I'ma goddamn slap the back of y'all neck a couple times, man. I got too much back pressure, bro. My car be tripping. My car be like, should I go? Should I not? Should I go? Should I not? That back pressure crazy, but that junk can have you jump tripping out. I was surprised what I just did and got name trip the goddamn check engine light. Go ahead and get over. That Challenger, but I'm about to say that nigga following me, man. Y'all go mess with him, man. That nigga can drive a little bit, man. He can drive a little bit. Dang, bro. I'm still tripped. I'm still goddamn tripped off about the goddamn window spoiler goddamn flying off. Like when it flew off, like it caught my attention. I'm looking. Then I look back down, but I had to goddamn put on brake, bro. Car was right there, bro. Like, I'm tripped out because that bitch made a sound, bro. Like, that bitch flew off. At first, when I seen it hanging down the window, I thought my window had cracked. Because it was a pop. I ain't know where that pop had came from. But it's all good, though, gang. Maybe it wasn't meant for me to have that motherfucker. Maybe it wasn't meant for me to have it. I wanted a different one anyway. I ain't even gonna lie, I wanted a different one anyway. Yeah, no. Hey, it's crazy how God work though, you feel me? God be knowing you want certain things, but he removed the certain stuff out of your life so you can do it. That junk crazy. And he know I'm trying to goddamn do YouTube. So I ran into another guy with an SRT. The first SRT 392. 2014. What? I'm gonna be bad. Come on, man. God can't get no realer than that, man. It can't get no realer than that, man. Y'all don't believe in God, man. I think y'all need to, you know what I'm saying? I am nothing without God, bro. I keep God in every equation and everything I do, man. For real. Got to. really got some crazy miles on the way for y'all too. I just want y'all to be ready. Now y'all know now, so y'all didn't say I didn't tell y'all. I'm telling y'all, a lot of stuff on the way, man. But that will conclude this video. You know what I'm saying? If you new, again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all want to see that video, that review of that 2014 SRT, the SRT 392, make sure y'all get this video 20 likes. Just 20 likes. That's all I'm asking for. Feel me? So yeah, y'all stay goddamn tuned for more heat, man. Love y'all, boy, man. Love y'all. Love everybody who watching it, man. Boy, female, everybody. Y'all my supporter, man. And I'm about to do a little something for y'all. You feel me? In the tunnel, it's for y'all. Car would get in my way. God. So mama, how I do what Pharaoh did, mama? how I do what Pharaoh did? You gotta stay down and get it, man. That's it. That car was burn. Dang, bro. I don't understand cars up here, man. Can't even have no fun because everybody got names just want to get in your way. But yeah, that is it for this video. Like I said, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. And it is what it is, man. You feel me? 20 likes and that video dropping. You feel me? Love y'all.